party. Are you desperate? You are? Hi. Here's Nighttime's leftover food. She's left you some. Come here. Come here. The sun filtering down into the forest. It's just pretty up there this morning. It was 69 when I looked, so it feels pretty good out here. And I think we had some rain overnight because everything is wet. I mean, like really wet. Like it rained a little while ago wet. So even the asphalt doesn't look very dry. It probably wasn't a lot, but let's see what we got in here. Yeah, we have water moving around barely. So we had something. Boo for a Monday morning. No, it's a good day, especially with it feeling nice out here. Hey there, Panther. Good morning. Hi. Yeah, I got chicken for you, bud. Good morning. My monster maple tree over there. I like it though. I can get up and down the steps and that's all that matters. Who knew? And we paid $15 for that at a roadside stand where the lady had started cuttings of it on her own, that it was going to do this. We just didn't know. I like it though. Yep, it's cleared out and starting to dry up. There's not a lot of rain in the forecast this week. A little bit, but not a lot. Good morning. What'd you do to your blanket last night? Got a couple of blankets not where they usually are. I'll sort it out for you. Come on up. Yeah. Here's breakfast. Well, the sun is starting to heat things up, but there's still a little bit of a breeze, so I noticed later on in the week the highs are more toward the low 80s. So we get through today and tomorrow, and it might, if it doesn't change, feel a little more fallish. I didn't film up at the park because we met up with Miss Rosa, and Dawn taught Alabama football with her. Yeah, she loves football. College football. She loves sports. Yeah, all sports really. And I got my Pokemon Go route walked with both phones, so I didn't miss my streak. Because, you know, I used to do the Pokestop streak. Now I've got a route streak to keep up with. Gives a lot of XP. I really need it for trying to get to the next level. I'm at level 46 now, I think, on my account. It takes a lot to get to 50. We got a lot of 50 players in town, but I'm not one of them, even though you would think I would be since I play all the time. I think part of it with me is because I'm still playing on 4 accounts. I'm splitting my, you know, time a little bit. Maybe if I had just always played one account, I'd be 52. Anyway, we enjoyed walking with Rosa. We went around the track one extra time. She got her second wind and she wanted to go around one more time. And I feel bad when we meet up with her on Tuesdays and Thursdays because I'm always in a rush. So on a Monday where we had the extra 10 minutes to go around one more time. Yeah, it's a pretty day. Pretty day. We did that with her. So always enjoy when we run into each other up there. It's just she's coming early because of the heat. And we're coming later, not late, but later because, you know, our schedule has changed. Johnny's back on campus and headed to his classes, and I think he's got a, you know, busy college week ahead, but going good, going good. We're home and cooling off, and have hard-boiled some eggs to make deviled eggs. We haven't had them in a few weeks because we've been having eggs for breakfast every morning, but I decided that I'd make them today, and I'm fixing to go work on yesterday's video. our internet upload speeds have just tanked in the last 2 or 3 weeks. It's really been making my life hard. Hi, sweetie pea. She goes, yeah, this daytime editing and coming and sitting with me, Mom, it's a good thing. It's a good thing. I like it. I like it, Mom. I got the video done and Loved on Gray. She's super happy with me right now. The cap is the next thing that happens here, and I am missing a key piece that if I substitute a different color, it'll be a big mess. So I thought what I would do is I would start on the other side. Unfortunately, I have to connect the two because this corner piece here gets covered over with part of the piece, and anyway, I can't ignore it. I've got to put it on there, I think. Well, you know, actually it overhangs it, but it's not on it. I think I could add it later. I'll make sure this is exactly the same because it's only 4 over, and if I can slide that on there later, then I can leave it off, which I'd rather work with just this piece. It's just easier. Hi, you come to help? She didn't act like she felt 100% this morning. So the fact that she's heard me and is up and adamant over here after a little nap is good. Nothing outwardly wrong, just not quite acting herself. Well, I've made really good progress here on the back side of the building. I need 1x4 oranges to finish the window treatments. I can start doing this side part though.